It actually made sense for them to come here to relax after 5 days of looking at properties. We just had two more ladies go back to get their massages before they leave. So I think all in all, we did a good job, if I have to say so myself. And we're looking forward to continuing to do good things here in the tourism and travel space. What you got?
Well, we were able to sort everything out and, give them, something that they wasn't able to obviously achieve. They were trying to do this by themselves, make all the contacts, and then they just get to enjoy it. And I think that's what a vacation should actually be as well, instead of trying to figure out, am I going to have a vehicle? Am I going to be able to get around, where to go, what to do? Of course, the real South Africa, we take care of all that. So I'm talking kind of low because I'm actually, I'm actually enjoying my spa treatment and whatnot. So let me just kind of show you where we are again. This is it. Very nice.
The lodge.